Oh my goodness.
Come here. Come here.
Oh.
Guys, you gotta come here. Turn. Yeah, leave it.
Oh my goodness.
He's putting out the food. They're all waiting.
It's like they're waiting patiently, like in a very well behaved until they eat.
Come near.
Wow.
Push it out. Can't wait till he says go.
Oh, they're so well behaved. That is so funny to me.
I know nothing. He's out.
Waiting in the trees. Waiting for him to throw the food out.
How do they not attack the hell out of him?
I wouldn't have thought it'd be great if you
Oh my goodness.
nature would be better. Yeah, I know, gross. I'm sure it's some kind of carcass, turkey or...
He's gonna move.
Well, he says, okay.
He said okay.
Oh!
Really not that much considering how many birds there are.
Whoa!
Really survival of the fittest, isn't it? Yeah. Make a nice down pillow. Vulture feathers. Oh, look at that big guy with the big one at the back. Oh, and he got something. It's not a vulture. That's something like a egret or a crane. It's a stalk. Stalk.
God, they stink.
That's the little kid.
Oh, they stink. Ew. Oh, you smell it? Oh.
I wonder if it's also the dirt that they...
I know, and all the scavenging they do.
One picks one up and the other one eats from it.
That is survival of the fittest.
Yeah. Buffet at the wedding.
Yeah.
They don't really fight each other.
No. I said I was just amazed at how well behaved they were, waiting for him to